ETHZ, the stock has been contracting. The volatility expansion that took it to the highs of around 19.44 on Wednesday, the 13th of August, and lost a further 25.71% in the regular session of today, the 20th of August. The company rebranded from 180 Life Sciences to ETHZilla, and recently acquired or recently raised $565 million, and has acquired 94,675 Ether at an average price of $3,902. Yield strategy is in a partnership with Electric Capital, and it combines taking lending, liquidity provision, and bespoke private agreements. And then it has Peter Thiel involved, has a 7.5% stake in the company, and community debates on strategy, buy the dip or hold off. Investors are weighing whether ETHZ is hitched for a longer run or if heightened volatility still lies ahead. Some argue further declines might present a compelling entry, yes, while others believe that the strong backing of Treasury strategy validates holding the current position. Okay, so dynamics, ETF and microdynamics, institutional ETF inflows on a single day recently registered around $1 billion in net inflows, amassing a $10.8 billion total assets, indicating heightened institutional interest. Okay, active treasury competition. It has there are other companies that are also one of them associated with um, Peter Thiel, Bitmicom Immersion. They're also aggressively scaling their earth reserves via structured pipes, so structured offerings. So community insights highlights feedback from investors, especially online communities, reflected to prevailing perspectives. Let's see. Once one person's on SB SBET investors indicated that issuing new shares via at the money is not dilutive to shareholder value, as ETH concentration is increasing each as ETH concentration increases, each share will be associated with a large amount of ETH. Okay, this reflects the theory that even if more shares are issued, ETHZ's ETH reserves grows in tandem, potentially increasing the ETH allocated per share akin to a leveraged ETH position. However, skeptics caution that this approach amplifies both upside and downside without conviction in its price path. The stock could remain highly volatile. So, buy the dip or wait for further decline. If bullish on Ethereum future, ETHZ presents a compelling vehicle. It offers regulated ETH exposure and growing treasury value. Buying dips could accumulate more if per share, particularly if yield strategy proves effective and ETH appreciates. If cautious about its volatility, the stock is tightly correlated to Ether and broader sentiment. Waiting for a clearer technical setup, fund flow stability, or validation of the yield model could help de-risk entry. Bottom line, the company sits at the crossroads of a crypto innovation and public markets. It's a dual exposure to Ethereum fundamentals and the traditional equity makes it a powerful but inherently volatile play. Your move depends on your conviction in long-term trajectory and appetite for short-term risk. So yeah, yes, We have the extrapolation is saying that we're going to have a distributive contraction that will remain in place up till the end of September. Projections say we have down projection of 0.8781. We have this intraday high of 19.44. It's an upper projection. Nothing else, really, nothing. There might be projections going all the way back sometime in the past. So we have it's 4 hour chart. Notice they are blank because the company they merged with wasn't trading in the post market. So that's why it's just forming. It's just an it's new to the world of post market trading. Yeah, post market trading. I think so. Yeah. So there were no hourly details on the stock. So we're not going to get anything here. Mate, let's see. We might have something here on the 1 hour chart. Here we have 5.78, and previously we had 5.78, $6, 6.36. Okay, so let's look at the 45 minutes. See what there's anything there. Okay, we have yeah, projections go all the way towards 8.33 from 5.78. Yeah, something is a bit. I'm wondering. Yeah, I think some of these data they're not there. It's just because it has to be because of the move, the merger. Yeah, I'm yet to really clearly understand why some of them are blank. Some of the charts are quite empty. I mean, given that stock, the company 180 what 180 ATNF. It's been around 180 Life Sciences. So well, something is missing. Some things are missing. Yeah. Okay. Let's see how things go. Let's see how things go. Let's see how things go. It will be. I personally think lower prices will make a lot of sense. Will be good. Lower prices will help a lot. You know. For now, I'm not sufficiently convinced that it's a good time to enter. So we have everything's robustly positive. So the strength it ran up on Wednesday is enormous. Yeah, it ran up a huge amount of strength, and even with a decline of let's see now, this is around more than 50%. It's still the trend. The stock is still robustly bullish on its 10 and 21 day moving averages. So it's quite fascinating. Yeah. Okay, people seem to be buying. Let's see. Yeah, people seem to be buying. They seem to be buying the dip. Yeah. Okay, so have a look and see what you make of ETHZ, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.